Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about upcoming Tata Altroz Racer car. Latest update, Tata has showcased the Altroz Racer at the Auto Expo 2023. The carmaker has confirmed that the spicier version of the hatchback will be launched soon. Launch, it is likely to go on sale by March 2023. Price, the Altroz Racer is expected to have a starting price of 10 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Engine and transmission, the sportier version of the Altroz comes with a 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine, making 120 PS and 170 Nm, derived from the Nexon. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission only. Features, the Altroz Racer comes with a larger touchscreen infotainment system with connected car tech, a semi-digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, a sunroof and cruise control. Safety, in terms of passenger safety, it gets dual front airbags, ISOFIX child seat anchors, ABS with EBD and rear parking sensors. Rivals, the Altroz Racer will be a rival to the Hyundai i20N line. Specification of Tata Altroz Racer. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement, cc, 1198. No of cylinder 4. Max power, bhp at RPM, 118.35 bhp. Transmission type manual. Body type hatchback. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.